You've chosen your dream home, made the offer, and now comes one of the most critical steps, the home inspection, especially if you're a first-time buyer. This part of the process protects you from unexpected surprises. A qualified home inspector looks at the property with a trained eye, checking what you may not see: structural issues, electrical problems, plumbing, insulation, roof damage, and more.
But here's the thing, not all home inspectors are created equal. Don't just hire the first name you find online. Ask about their certifications and training, knowledge of local building codes, experience in how many homes they've inspected, referrals or reviews from past clients, and whether they're a member of a professional group.
Where to find a home inspector? The best place to start? Ask your real estate agent like me. We've worked with trusted inspectors and can connect you with someone reputable. You can also ask friends and family for referrals. Once you've chosen your inspector, make sure you attend the inspection. It usually takes about 2 to 3 hours. Walk through the home, take notes, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Afterward, you'll get a detailed report with everything the inspector found. Read it carefully. This will help you decide what's acceptable, what might need fixing, or if you want to renegotiate the offer. Remember, a home inspection isn't about perfection, it's about protecting your investment. And with the right guidance, you'll be ready to move forward with confidence. If you need help or want a referral, just reach out. I'd love to help you through it.